Smoke.
Where is he? I can't see him. Got him. I just shot through a wall.
I'm getting coach.
Hunter.
Oh shit, I got
No, you're not. You just popped him in the head.
Yeah, let me heal. I'm at 1 HP. Let me heal.
Right.
That's spit on me. I'm down.
And
No, I'm not. Yo, let me heal.
just short, man.
Please let me
Oh
heal.
my god.
yeah. Oh my god, 1 HP.
Coach is a fucking swine, man.
He's mad.
You hit him on the.
He's mad.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna agree with you, man.
She's actually done it. Would have been much more hilarious.
So what other mods you guys gonna try and run this game? You can just skip right to the admin abuse like the rest of the baddies.
Yeah, right now, just stay with like an hour or something. I mean, like,
All of
it's
them?
even fun. Why would you add abuse? It's like, I don't even know how to compare it.
Because they're
Man,
so
why you guys
bad.
even playing? You're so bad.
Are there lies that
You guys even play competitively?
fucking
Get on my
boring that
level.
they-
Why do you
I
guys
don't
play
understand,
this
You don't
game
play
so much?
competitively?
I mean, if you didn't suck, you
This
would have
is
just
really
won.
sad.
But you didn't win because you suck.
Bro, you
Why
need to
would you
get
bring up
on our
competitive
level.
play when you're admin abusing? That's not even competitive play, bro.
Do you play competitively?
Hang on. Did I just hear you call
Yeah,
my
it's like
head
apparently-
competitive? 'Cause I'm gonna go ahead and
So bad.
These guys are so bad.
It's so easy to play people who don't, they don't train or practice like we do. It's just way too
Dude, I
bad.
work my wrists out every day. Mostly my right wrist.
God, coach,
They
be the daddy.
are 12-year-old sweatshop workers from McDonald's in China.
McDonald's hires me.
Whoa, whoa,
Think
whoa.
McDonald's hires sweatshop.
Asian American, please.
Oh, you like catching things, Ellis?
Surprise!
With your
You
face?
like sucking cock with your buddies?
I do. If you're paying.
Yes, actually. It's one of my favorite activities.
Don't stop shooting!
Rochelle is so
Maintain your
black.
nuclear reactors better.
Watch out!
No kits needed.
Yeah, when you try hard. I hope not. It's fucking versus, man. I haven't seen a team this bad since season 3. Jesus, you guys are bad.
This must be the new Mimi in Left 4 Dead. Baddies get rolled in games, have their daddy buy them a server and use admin abuse.
Do you know what I mean?
Did you say Mimi?
Heads up!
Look out! I think he did.
I can't tell if you're
Did you
kidding
just
or
say
if you're
Mimi?
Yes, he did.
You're a fucking retard.
Simple fact.
You sound mad, man. Are you mad?
I mean, we can go back and check.
They're very bad.
No, I'm completely
Also
disgusted
Just
by
fucking
your
admin abuse in
ignorance.
the server.
We got 2 of this, no kid. Oh, get wrecked!
Tank rock. Tank, more like
Oh my
fag.
god, I wish I were that bad so I could know how it feels.
Don't wish that upon yourself.
Yeah, got him.
Skeet, skeet.
Alright, I'm about to rage.
Where's the tank?
I see it. It's on the other side.
Wrecked.
Oh no!
Insta-kill tank.
I've
Been in at the witch.
Oh fuck!
Copper in the head.
How the fuck did he
What?
tap that bitch?
Witch, I got this.
I'm gonna crack her dome. What's up?
Not if I crack her down first. Oh, did you get her?
Did he do it again?
With a pistol?
With the pistol?
Let's do this.
You want to hit the first building and the second.
First building.
I'm
second
saving my
place.
smoke for the
Bro, lead the way with the
once I go
pistol.
up there, I'm just gonna. Yeah, come on. That's sure.
What the fuck?
He's like, what the fuck?
he's hacking.
Broken pistol flip.
I love it though. He's just like, what the
Wow
fuck?
face. I love your
They're
name.
all
Look at
doing it, man.
They're all
look at
doing it,
this
man.
Look at the character.
Dude, they're
Well,
pissed.
look at his first person kill cam. See what it's doing.
Which guy?
It says he's crouching too, do you see that? But he's not
It
crouching.
says he's crouching too.
That's probably what it is, like super accurate. Yeah, fucking cheating.
It is super accurate too. I have it on
play
no
with the
spread.
fucking stuff.
And then you got fucking walls on or some shit too.
Nah, I'm not wall hacking.
It's going hard.
Yeah, dude, he fucking cheats for sure.
Yeah. It's, when you spec him, it's all shaky and shit.
I'm tempted to just scream on voice
Now they're just
chat.
making stuff up. It should not
They're
be
doing
shaky.
pretty bad.
Yeah, this is a prime example of the placebo effect right here.
Because now they're like, oh, it's all shaky when you spec them. No, that's not true.
Or is it
How
another
about
guy?
how about I just scream on voice chat?
Bow down to Emperor Grief Mix Scumbag the 7th of Grief Tasia!
Oh my god.
Coach, come out and play.
Oh my god, that was terrible.
Oh, Rochelle, are you okay?
Storm, are you safe yet?
Yeah, I've been in the safe room.
What happened?
I'm hitting all the car alarms.
Get on my level, guys! Get on my level!
Yeah, I finally got in. I'm gonna make it rain.
Are you talking about the part where I shot 2 alarmed cars and jumped on a 3rd one? No, that was an accident. Aw, that was an accident.
Get on my
accident.
level, guys! Get on my level!
Women are so funny when they're angry.
Women are so
Wait,
cute when they
define
piss the
anger.
fuck off.
Get in here.
Also known as
Define
always, because you know
anger.
they're useless.
Define it.
You know,
You know, tears streaming down your face, eating a tub of ice cream.
Ice cream.
Aww.
Oh, get on my level, bro! On my level!
Oh, he's good.
He's
Oh,
good.
you appear
What
dead.
happened to your pistol? What happened to your pistol,
Let's
bro?
see. Here, a question. It was 4 of you guys against me halfway through the level, and that's
You
my
got
favorite
popped in the
thing.
nose. Mimicry is a sincere form of fat water, so I'm right.
Come on, people, get
We win! We win!
What's it like?
Make it.
What's it like being a member of the
Victory is
minority
mine.
gender, and you know the most useless one on the planet?
Hey, I like guys too, man. I guess we have that in common, so...
Hey, tell me,
Maybe we can be friends.
what's it like
Hey.
being subhuman? I feel like you realized you're bad at Left 4 Dead and life, and that you need to get on my level.
Okay, how did you get on your level? I need to know.
Okay, start by sucking less. Literally.
That's good
Advice.
advice.
Good advice.
Then how can I suck more?
Thank you.
Okay, first start by
Bro,
sucking
you
less,
can do better than that.
and then proceed to being awesome, and then you'll be on my level.
Maybe we can show you how to play.
how to play.
We can show you how to play.
We can show you how to play
sometime.
sometime. No, she sucks too much. It's not possible.
I mean, we'd have to give her like a crash course.
Not worth it.
Reloading.
Do you hear you guys right now?
And I also
I can also charge a lot. About $50 an hour. Storm, there is a
We'll take
limit
at least
to
like
like 1,000 hours
Yeah.
before she's good. Like, we're on a pretty high level, but there are limits to our level we're getting on.
Charge $500 in lesson.
I'm pretty sure you can't increase your
$500
level if you're
just
on
for
a
the
mid
introductory
level.
lesson, where I get to learn
your name and why you suck. That's...
我屌你開咗，我拖佢聽到我講嘢。
本來都係啊，啱啱 off 完
是
之後
但啦，佢哋都聽唔明我哋講乜嘢嘅。
激鳩佢先
清倉清倉 fuck you！
聽唔聽到我
清倉清倉！
清倉
You guys are fucking You guys fucking think that we speak 清倉清倉 You fucking motherfuckers!
What's up? I'm Peter Chow.
I am trying to hack.
Peter Chow, hey, you motherfucker.
Motherfucking white!
Oh, that's racist.
Getting owned by China, man.
Dude, why are you so racist?
I'm a fucking Chinaman, you motherfucking son of a bitch!
Getting owned by China, man, huh?
You have anything to do with fucking Chinaman?
Tank.
Charger man?
TV.
If I'm a fucking Chinaman, then you're fucking shit ass breaking.
What? I mean, we are the greatest country in the world over here.
Well, we did nuke you.
Fuck you!
Oh my god, you guys suck.
I think that means we're better than you.
Shit, even though this is your own server, man, getting
Asian penis.
in your own server. Shit,
Asian penis.
so shitty. Oh my god.
Did you know the average length of a penis in China is 3.1 inches?
Oh my god, you guys are getting owned in your own server, guys. What a shame.
You don't fucking compare the length of your penis with us. Fuck off.
Yo, spawn more tank and
It's alright
riches.
to
Come
be
on,
upset.
man.
Like your penis so small.
Spawn more tank. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh no, you're not good. You Chinaman lose.
Good game, Chinaman, but United States wins again.
Hitting you harder than fucking Nagasaki.